Searching for the best dash cam 2025 to protect your ride and capture every moment on the road? You're in the right place. Whether you're after crystal clear 4K video, budget-friendly options, or the ultimate front and rear setup, we've got you covered. From mirror dash cams to top picks for Uber drivers, this guide will reveal the 5 best dash cameras of 2025 that combine innovation, reliability, and value. Stay tuned as we break down their features, so you can make the perfect choice. Don't forget to check the product links in the description, hit that subscribe button, and tap the bell icon for more expert reviews. Let's dive in. The REDTIGER Dash Cam Front Rear is a top contender among the best dash cameras of 2025, delivering excellent 4K front and 2.5K rear video resolution. The included 32GB card ensures quick setup, while the built-in Wi-Fi and GPS allow seamless connectivity and accurate location tracking. Its 3.16-inch IPS screen offers a clear display, making menu navigation and video playback simple. The dashcam's 170 degrees wide-angle lens and WDR technology ensure exceptional clarity in various lighting conditions, making it ideal for day and night use. Night vision performance is stellar, capturing detailed footage even in low-light environments. The ROVE R2-4K Dual Dashcam is a premium option in the best dash cameras of 2025, featuring dual 4K front and full HD rear recording. Its standout STARVIS 2 sensor ensures vibrant and detailed footage even in challenging lighting. The included 128GB card saves you from additional purchases, and the 5G Wi-Fi delivers lightning-fast 20 megabytes per second downloads via the ROVE app. With a sleek 3-inch IPS screen, this dashcam is intuitive to operate. Its 24-hour parking mode with motion detection provides peace of mind, safeguarding your vehicle when unattended. The wide-angle lenses effectively minimize blind spots, capturing a comprehensive view of the road with premium features and high-quality video output. The ROVE R2-4K Dual is ideal for those looking to enhance their driving safety with one of the best 4K dash cameras available. The Vantrue N5 dash cam stands out as a truly versatile device among the best dash cameras of 2025, offering 4-channel recording to cover all sides of your car. Featuring STARVIS 2 sensors and IR night vision, it excels in low-light conditions, making it an excellent choice for nighttime driving. With 2.7K front resolution and 31080p side channels, this dash cam delivers comprehensive coverage. The built-in GPS and voice control add convenience, while the Wi-Fi connectivity ensures smooth file transfers and real-time footage review. The 360 degrees view minimizes blind spots, and its 24-hour buffered parking mode captures events before, during, and after an incident. Its compact design and user-friendly interface make it perfect for rideshare drivers or anyone seeking comprehensive coverage. The PRUVEEO 360-degree dash cam is designed for complete road coverage, offering front, rear, inside, left, and right views. This makes it a standout choice for the best dash cameras of 2025, especially for users prioritizing comprehensive footage. The built-in GPS and Wi-Fi simplify connectivity and route tracking, while the night vision capability ensures crystal-clear recordings after dark. The 24/7 recording mode adds robust security, even when the car is parked. The free 128GB card is a bonus, providing ample storage for high-resolution video. Compact and easy to install, the PRUVEEO dashcam is perfect for drivers who need advanced monitoring, especially rideshare professionals and those in high-traffic areas. The 4K dashcam front and rear is a stellar choice among the best dash cameras of 2025, offering Ultra HD 4K front and Full HD rear recording for clear and detailed footage. With built-in 5G Wi-Fi, accessing and sharing videos via the app is fast and hassle-free, while the integrated GPS provides precise location and speed tracking. The included 64GB card is a convenient addition, allowing immediate use. The 3.59-inch IPS screen ensures easy menu navigation and sharp playback, while WDR and night vision deliver excellent clarity, even in low-light conditions. A G sensor protects important files in case of an impact, and loop recording ensures seamless operation by overwriting old files. The 24-hour parking monitor adds extra security,